If you want to use Pro mode on the Samsung Galaxy S25, first we need to open our camera app. Then navigate to the More options right here and select the Pro mode. From there, we can first see the toolbar below, which allows you to customize the settings where they are not available for most of the other modes. And first one is ISO, so you can change the basically brightness of your photos. So more you go to the right, the brightness will increase, and more you go to the left, then it will decrease. Then there's the shutter speed, which allows you to customize for how long your shutter will remain open after you take a photo. So if you go to the right, it will take up to 30 seconds of your shutter being opened, and this will allow your camera to catch as much light as possible from the scene and make the photos more brighter. But the downsides is you need to keep your phone as stable as possible during that photo. So your phone needs to be stable as possible, as I said, for 30 seconds when taking a photo. But of course you can go a bit lower, as most of the time 30 seconds is too much and your photos will be too bright. So adjust it however you like. Next option is the evaluation, and you need to change the speed to auto to actually adjust it, and this also allows you to customize the brightness of your photos as well even more. Then there's the focus, and you can specify how the focus should work. You can center it on one specific object, use multi-objects, or then click on manual to adjust the value manually. I prefer to just go for a center. Then last thing is white balance, and you can also set it to auto or adjust the white balance more to the orange hue or to the blue hue of the light. And in the middle you will get just something like a white. And that is almost everything. There's also options when we enter a setting. So click on the 4 dots right here and open a settings, where you'll be able to find advanced picture options, and you can change the Pro mode, picture mode between JPEG or RAW photos, or RAW and JPEG. And also we can go back because there's different camera lenses that you can use. You have ultra wide with 0.6 camera lens, wide with 1.0, or telephoto 3. It's basically the macro mode. And you can also change the camera megapixels on the top, and that would be basically everything. One thing I can also recommend is when you're using the camera shutter, add timer to your photos and disable the vibration feedback, as it will basically break your photos if you have vibrations activated. And then you can add the timer to make your photos more stable. So you click on the shutter and then just let go of your phone. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.